Crafting riddles requires skill. Can you do it? Okay, don't worry. I will take you through my 5-step DIY riddle writing system. Follow along and you will learn how to write your own unique riddle. I will use questions to inspire you along the way, and I will guide you when the process becomes difficult. Also give you the best possible experience writing riddles. Also, I prepared the launchpad for you to share your unique riddle with the world. As you progress through the 5 steps, you will uncover more and more content for your riddle. Some steps will contribute a lot, some steps may be only one word. You will need a blank document or pen and paper. I will tell you when to pause the video and signal it with this pausing icon. Step 1 is to choose an answer for your riddle. Choose an answer that's easy for you to describe, either from the list or anything that comes to mind. Write your answer in the top left corner. Step 2 is to find words and phrases associated with your answer. In a minute, I'll present you with a list of questions. Create a mental image of your answer, use the questions as inspiration, and write down words and phrases associated with your answer. Pause the video with the questions on screen and do them one by one. Resume the video when done. Well done! Now find words with a similar meaning. Do it for your answer and the words and phrases you've written down. Pause the video, find words with a similar meaning, resume the video when done. And then opposites. Pause the video, find opposites, resume the video when done. Great work! You are now ready for step 3, which is to think like your riddle answer. Describe the world from your answer's point of view. Again, I will present you with a list of questions. Use the questions as inspiration and write down anything that comes to mind. Pause the video with the questions on screen and do them one by one. Resume the video when done. Good job! You are now ready for step 4, which is to mix and match your riddle content. Create small sentences from all the words you've done so far, using comparisons and figure of speech. First up, comparisons. I will demonstrate with elephant. Afterwards, it's your turn. I blow like a trumpet. I stomp like a trunk. I am as big as a house. I am larger than a mouse. My nose is like a straw. Now your turn. Pause the video and do comparisons. Resume the video when done. Next up, figure of speech. That is stating 2 things are similar. I will demonstrate with elephant. Afterwards, it's your turn. I am the whale of the savannah. I am the trumpet from Africa. Now your turn. Pause the video and find figure of speech. Resume the video when done. You are now ready for the 5th and final step, which is to build your riddle. Use all you've done so far to piece together your riddle. I'll do a riddle with elephant while you do a riddle for your answer. Pause the video if you need more time and resume when done. pause the video if you need more time. You did it! You crafted your riddle. Now share it with the world. Write riddle and answer in the comments and have it featured as the next Shushing Chicken shorts video. Sit back and watch your riddle with cool visuals on YouTube. Follow views and likes and challenge your friends.